front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to hit Google Services over here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again, and this time click on Autofill with Google over here. Now tap on Google Password Manager and hit Add Password. If you can't see this option, don't worry, that means that you never added one before and you need at least one to add them manually. To fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on and log in into any website or any app that requires an account. You'll see Save pop-up. Just hit Save in it and your password will appear here, along with Add Password option. So now tap on it and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Once you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!